Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Speaking of Uber and Tesla with the RoboCab, Uber and Tesla juice up the driver EV incentives right now.
Yeah.
So they're giving it's actually a $2,000 on a Model 3 and Y.
Yeah.
So 1,000 coming from Tesla and 1,000 coming from Uber. And you got to order your Tesla through Uber, and then after you give 100 trips, you get $1,000 in cash. So you can get $2,000.
It's a pretty good deal, bro, because they're so low now, the Ys and 3s. There's a new Model Y coming out called, I don't know what it's called, but supposedly a little sleeker. There's a lot of inventory out there. So if you're gonna, get an electric car, new one, $2,000 is $2,000. I mean, that's a lot. On a good Model 3, I think long range Model 3, you can get it for like 33 now, 34 maybe. So I think it's a pretty good deal. So if you're in the market for an EV,
and it's 0% APR. I just went on their site, 0%
APR. Yep, 0 APR. Yep. So to go get it, people. I mean, 100 trips is not much. Does it say how long you got to do 100 trips in a month? Let's see. Automaker, rideshare company, eligible Uber drivers who purchase new Model 3 or Y can receive 1,000 Tesla credits upon taking delivery. That's that. And 1,000 in cash from Uber after completing 100 trips. Tesla credit can be used towards supercharging and new Tesla vehicles service. Okay. It doesn't say. Does anybody know in the chat how much time you have to do the 100 trips? I'm pretty sure it's a month. It's probably 30 days.
I don't know. Well, we'd have to see the actual fine print of that, because I'm sure that they have something.
Yeah.
But here's the question: is this enough to actually convince you to get a Model 3 or Y? Ding, ding, ding.
Convince me? No. No.
Me neither.
Not yet. I honestly, no, not yet. But first of all, like you did, I will never buy a new car to do rideshare, ever.
Like me.
Well, no, you bought a new minivan and you bought it because your family needs it.
Yeah.
Okay. SUV.
And thankfully, because it's got the third row and there's a third child coming any moment now.
Yeah, but you can do rideshare with it too. But a lot of people go buy brand new cars just to do rideshare. And I'm like, no, don't do that.
No. Yeah.
Don't. Seriously, don't. I mean, do your math. It's just like, but anyway, so this is a pretty good deal. If you're gonna do the foolish thing and buy a brand new Tesla to do just rideshare, I'm like, hey, go for it.
Yeah, maybe.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.